What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out some brand new products. All of this stuff was like $3 and under, including this foundation and this concealer. And yeah, I'm excited, so let's get into this. Now, I did read online that this foundation is dewy, which is great for me because I have dry skin, so I hope this works out. I hope it's nice. This foundation was $3. I got it in the shade medium beige. It's from Amuse Cosmetics. It's their full coverage foundation. That's literally all it says. I did peek at the color, so that's why it kind of looks used. I just wanted to make sure that it would match my skin tone somewhat. And I did notice that it does oxidize, so it does get a little bit darker. And I'm just gonna put this on my face. Ooh, that feels thick. This feels really thick. Not heavy on the skin so far, but just thick. I'm gonna do this side with a brush, and then I'll do the other side with a sponge. Oh, wow. Smells a little bit like kids' makeup, like waxy, which I did read on the ingredients that, yeah, there's microcrystalline wax. I don't know what kind of wax that is. Pretty sure I butchered that. Wow, I actually really like this. Whoa. That gave me decent coverage. It doesn't look cakey on the skin, and it is definitely a dewy finish. I'm guessing I'm gonna need to use more product just because a beauty blender soaks up most of the foundation with pretty much any foundation. Oh, I forgot I got an eyebrow pencil. I should have done that first. I always do my brows first. Let's see how it builds up. I would say this is like light to medium coverage. It didn't cover up my freckling that well. It doesn't look bad, it's just not full coverage. It's actually building really nicely. I think I'm gonna go in with the sponge. I think I'm going to go in with the brush, just whatever's left, and try and build up some more coverage. And let's see how it builds with a brush. This is what it looks like up close. Okay, now I'm going in with this concealer from Amuse Cosmetics, the same one that did the foundation, so I'm hoping that these two will work nicely together. This is in the shade 2. This is pretty light. Ooh, that might be a little too light, but I usually like my concealer to be pretty light, so I don't mind too much. What does it smell like? It smells like a lipstick. So again, I'm going to use a brush on this side to blend the concealer. Wow, that's like nothing but grease. Let's try the beauty blender, though I'm pretty sure I know what's going to happen. It did highlight, but it didn't really cover anything. So I'm going to try and go in with a second layer, and let's see. Let's see if we can build this. Again, I'm going to use my beauty blender. Definitely better with a second layer. This concealer is supposed to be dewy as well. It's supposed to be very hydrating, which I actually really like because My under eyes are incredibly dry and crusty, and I actually like this. I don't mind that it's not full coverage. Okay, let's set it with some setting powder. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me right here on the album on my cheek and set everything. Okay, I really like this. Now I also got this brow pencil. Oh, by the way, that foundation was $3, that concealer was $1, and this brow pencil was also $1. This is in the shade medium brown, and this is from Clean Color. Yeah, Clean Color, but clean is spelled with a K. It's hard, but I don't have to press super hard to get a lot of pigment. Okay, not my best brows. They look a little blocky and a little crazy, but that's okay. Okay, so the only items I have left to try out are lashes, mascara, and a lipstick, so I'll come back when we get to those steps. But next we have a mascara to try out, and I don't think it's waterproof, so that's good. What the hell? God damn, that was hard to open. I had to use my teeth. Okay, it's a decent wand. Let's see. This mascara is from She Cosmetics, by the way. I can tell this mascara is one that you have to build up and use multiple layers. So now I got these lashes from Amore Us USA. These are 3D faux minks. These are in the style 3D01. This is what they look like. Don't they look beautiful? They look amazing. They look so pretty. I like that they're thicker at the base and then they kind of like flare out and get thinner. I like that. Next, I got this lipstick. This is from Amuse Cosmetics, and this is in the shade, this is in the 6th style. It doesn't have a name, it's just numbers. Let's just see how this looks. It smells like a crayon. Hopefully this isn't too orange for this look. It's not that pigmented or opaque, just on the first layer. But it doesn't look bad. It blends nicely into my lips. It's comfortable, it's hydrating. Yeah, and it was only $1. So yeah, this is the full face done. This foundation is nice. I would recommend this. For $3, it's really nice. It's dewy, has decent coverage, and it's only $3. Same with the concealer. It may not be full coverage, but I do think it's worth the $1. It was literally $1. This mascara is nice. This is also only $1. This lipstick, I will definitely have to keep trying and build up on my lips. This brow pencil is nice. It got the job done. It was only $1. The color is slightly off. That could just be on my part. So yeah, we're done here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like if you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot more content coming and I'd love for you to stick around. Thank you guys for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next one. Bye!